Walking into a cleaning job without a written room-by-room scope is one of the fastest ways to lose time, miss expectations, and give away work you never priced. The customer may think the oven is included. The cleaner may assume it is not. One person expects the baseboards every visit, while another thinks they are part of a deep clean. By the time anyone discovers the difference, the schedule is already slipping. In this video, we will build a room-by-room scope that is easy for the customer to understand and easy for the cleaning team to follow. We will define service levels, separate routine tasks from add-ons, flag details that need inspection, and use AI to turn verified information into a clean draft. Stay to the end for a prompt you can reuse on residential and small commercial jobs. Subscribe to AI Work Crew and turn on notifications for practical new AI content coming out daily to help local service businesses save time, work smarter, and grow. Start with the property facts, not a generic checklist. Record the type of property, occupied or vacant status, approximate size, rooms and areas included, flooring and surface types you can actually identify, pets, access limits, parking, stairs, and the requested service frequency. If a fact has not been confirmed, label it unknown. AI should organize the information you provide, not guess what is behind a closed door or what a photograph fails to show. Next, define the service level in plain language. A maintenance clean, first-time clean, deep clean, move-in service, move-out service, turnover, and post-construction service are not interchangeable. Give each level a specific purpose. Explain what normally belongs in that level, what is excluded, and which conditions can change the scope. Avoid labels such as standard or complete unless you define them, because customers attach their own meanings to vague words. Now move through the property one area at a time. For the kitchen, separate routine, visible surface work. From interior appliances, heavy grease, cabinet interiors, dishes, or organization. For bathrooms, distinguish ordinary cleaning from restoration, mold treatment, damaged grout, or conditions requiring specialized expertise. For bedrooms and living areas, state whether beds, linens, blinds, baseboards, reachable fixtures, and furniture movement are included. Use the same task order in every room so the document is easy to scan. Add a condition gate to every important area. A condition gate simply says that the task depends on what is found during inspection. Excessive buildup, biohazards, pests, unsafe clutter, delicate materials, inaccessible areas, active construction, or damage may require a revised plan or a service the company does not provide. This protects the customer and the cleaner because it replaces silent assumptions with an honest decision point. Here is the reusable AI prompt. Using only the verified property facts, requested outcome, approved service list, exclusions, access information, and business rules below. Draft a room-by-room cleaning scope. For each room, list included tasks, excluded tasks, customer responsibilities, and conditions requiring inspection or approval. Separate recurring tasks from first visit work and optional add-ons. Do not invent measurements, surface types, prices, safety claims, guarantees, or services. Mark every missing fact as unknown. The owner must review the final scope and approve all prices and promises. Imagine a customer asks for a recurring clean of a 3-bedroom home. The verified notes say 2 bathrooms, 1 dog, a keypad entry, mixed hard flooring and carpet, and a request for kitchen, bathrooms, bedrooms, and common areas. The notes do not confirm interior appliances, blinds, linen changes, or the condition of the shower grout. A good AI draft keeps those items outside the base scope, or marks them for review. It does not quietly add them because they appear on somebody else's checklist. Turn the approved scope into 2 views. The customer view should explain the outcome, included areas, exclusions, access responsibilities, and how changes are approved. The cleaner view can be more operational, with room order, tasks, condition flags, supplies, and a completion check. Both views must come from the same approved source. If the customer document and crew checklist say different things, the system creates conflict instead of preventing it. Before sending anything, perform a scope audit. Can a customer tell what happens in each room? Can the cleaner tell what not to do? Are add-ons clearly separated? Are unknown conditions visible? Are access, pets, fragile items, valuables, utilities, and cancellation rules handled according to your real policies? Has a qualified person reviewed anything involving chemicals, damaged materials, hazards, or specialized work? If any answer is no, revise the scope before attaching a price. Roll the system out with one service level and a small group of jobs. Ask cleaners where the wording slows them down, and ask customers which lines require explanation. Track additions requested at the door, tasks repeatedly misunderstood, and rooms that regularly need revised time. Those patterns tell you whether the scope needs clearer language, a better inspection question, a separate add-on, or a different service level. Version the approved template, so an outdated checklist cannot quietly return after the team has improved it. The finished system is straightforward. Verified property facts, a defined service level, room-by-room inclusions, visible exclusions, condition gates, and one approved source for the customer and crew. AI makes the document faster to organize, but people still inspect the property, choose the method, set the price, and accept responsibility for the promise. In the next video, we will build a safe access system that eliminates key, alarm, pet, and lockout surprises before the cleaner arrives.